PM to pause. Thank you.
Hi Shubham. So today we have the new Made in India Van Rysel VDR with us. This Van Rysel, starting with the very first thing, is the quite striking out, beautifully designed frame in a two-tone color. The white color being the primary color, and here you can see the black color, which gives quite a good aesthetic look to the overall frame. It's a triple butted frame, which means there is 3 times more compound, more weld material over here, and the grooves are hollowed out from here. So this frame is for endurance, specifically endurance racing. So it will allow you to go faster, and the frame weight overall is also lighter. Plus it's UCI approved. So with this frame, with this bike, you can start to take part in international races as well, and perhaps with the national and the state races you can very well participate. Then the second thing after the frame which we have a look at is the fork. So you have carbon bladed forks, which gives you very good steering ability, performance as well. And after the frame, we move on to the drivetrain of this bike. So the drivetrain of it, you have a Shimano 105 drivetrain. So your shifters, your rear derailleur, and the brake calipers, they are from Shimano 105. We have a non-series RS 510 crankset over here, which is 11 speed in nature. So on this crankset, the chain rings is something that you can easily upgrade perhaps in the future if you want. And then speaking about after the drivetrain, it's a 11 speed drivetrain with a very good ratio, so it will help you to go on the upslopes with quite ease, given the bike is also light in weight and the gearing ratios are more favorable for climbs as well. There is absolutely no doubt that you will find quite good comfort while you are going on the slopes. That too seated, because you've got a 32 teeth first cog in the rear. After that, the important comparable part which we should be aware and know is about the wheels. So on this bike we have the wheels from Fulcrum. These are your Fulcrum Racing 3 wheel set. So if you can see, this wheel will almost keep on moving in the same speed, and it won't stop almost for a minute or two if you just keep it the way it is, because you got sealed bearings and the efficiency of the bearings is quite nice. The lacing pattern is a bit different than the wheels that you commonly get with bikes. So here, the kind of lacing which is used is called as radial lacing. So you have spokes on one side and the spokes on the other side in a specific direction, which gives you better stiffness. So you are able to maintain speeds and get good performance from these wheels. So talking about these wheel sets, so usually at the price point which Van Rysel is offering this bike, you won't find such good wheel sets as a part of stock bike in the price point. So there's absolute no need to upgrade the wheel set in the first go. You can continue to use it for years and years on it. Now, as a cyclist you are and as a cyclist I am, we really like to hear the sound of the hub. Since you are all the way over here, let me give you the opportunity to hear the hub sound. So here we go. So this sweet sound of the hub is what really makes us happy. As we go down the hills, there is absolutely no need of any bike bell or as such. This sound itself is sufficient enough and good enough for anyone to be aware of a cyclist coming their way. Now the brakes, as you can see, we got very good wide force with the Shimano 105 brake calipers over here. So it is even barely not even 10 years that these are the kind of brakes which were the preferred choice of professionals in Tour de France. So these are your caliper brakes and these are not your ordinary brakes. The braking quality and the bite force is quite good enough that even at a downhill at 60 km per hour, 70 km per hour, you can be in very good control, brake in dry weather conditions. So these brakes are not only very easy to bring your bike like to slow down, but at the same time they are very easy to maintain, so very beginner friendly. Then in the end it comes down to the touch points of the bike. Got a comfortable ErgoFit system performance from Van Rysel with a central relief channel, so on the saddle will be quite comfortable, along with a good pair of boot shorts. Yes, the seat post is of 27.2 diameter, and the seat space you can see is lowered. So overall, with the choice of the saddle and the thinner seat post, you get a slight flex action which gives you good comfort on the saddle on the bad patches of. The other touch point is a good bar tape over here, which not only gives you grip, but also you will get good cushioning when you are going to rough patches of the road. The tire here, this is a tire made by Ralston exclusively for Decathlon for now. It's a 120 TPI tire. So if in the market, if you see, one would be able to get a 60 TPI tire from Ralston. With Decathlon, Ralston has made this tire, and you can very, this tire is very supple, so it gives you a comfortable ride. And absolutely, I don't think anyone would be required to change the wheels quite soon, the tires especially, because when it comes to road bikes, usually the upgrade journey of anyone is first from the tires. So like I was saying, you get a very good tire, get an amazing wheel set for the price that you are getting. Talking about the price of this bike, since it is assembled in India, the cost of the bike is 99,999. For the price which it currently is, it's an absolute steal. Keeping in mind that one is getting a Shimano 105 drivetrain with this bike, a triple butted UCI approved frame, and an amazing wheel set for it. So worth each and every penny. So I hope you like this short video, and you will be able to see this bike at Decathlon City and on the website as well. Thank you.